Hafa Day, Tirwami, and good evening, Commonwealth. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. Here is a KSPN2 special report. The CNMI is now at a level yellow for the community-focused economic recovery. Effective today, May 26th, the CNMI has moved from a level red to a community vulnerability level yellow for the economic recovery.
If you look at the nation or even our neighboring territories, we're actually the strictest and also the last that actually is opening this way, because we're looking at every angle that we have here, and our growth and our lifting of directive is based on our success and progress as a community.
The level yellow means all businesses may open from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Restaurants may serve dine-in customers at 25% their originally permitted occupancy rate. The curfew is extended from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Worship services can commence in churches at a 25% occupancy rate. Gyms may open. And Managaha is open to the public. But Grotto is still closed to the public. Public beaches and pathways are closed to all activities except exercise and fishing. And gaming activities, including the casino, poker establishments, and e-gaming, remains closed to the public.
This lifting is everyone in our community and our private partners have a stake into reopening CNMI. So it's not a decision that just the governor or CEO said, okay, I think it looks good. We actually have a good collaborative working group within the business community and the government and our healthcare. With all the directives, everything that we're doing is in collaboration with our hospital in acknowledging our declaration and any new information through CHCC, CDC, HHS, and working with FEMA, DOD. I mean, these are all partners that collaborate into making a decision whether to open and what businesses to open and how fast us opening. So I strongly believe that we're moving in the right direction and more so the right pace.
A yellow rating is formulated at 1.30 to 1.49. This means
it's a formula that looks at the amount of testing that we're doing. Right now, we've reached about 10% of our population that have been tested. It also looks at the negative results. The percentage of negative results versus in addition to those that were tested, the percentage of those negative results out of those that were tested. So that's the formula for that. And we looked at that. Basically, we had a range, and we looked at that and said, okay, this is an acceptable range for lifting some of the restrictions.
The community-focused economic recovery chart is set up in color-coded levels of red, orange, yellow, blue, and green. CHCC CEO Esther Muñoz says she, along with the governor, felt comfortable skipping over the orange level due to the large number of negative COVID-19 results.
It is about the negative results, but it's also about how many people are being tested and how prevalent it is in the community. Just in looking at the cases too, we wouldn't be too comfortable to do this if we feel that there's an even bigger concern. It is a concern, but I'm just saying that we feel comfortable in it being yellow.
Governor Torres says the Council of Economic Advisors will have their first meeting by next week to discuss steps and moving forward on the opening of the CNMI economy.
What does the community expect from the council? One is to look at and analyze everything that's going around the world. How is the economy reviving, reopening around the world? And how are we going to reopen, and how are we going to address the concerns we have on island? Both the local economy and our tourist economy. And that is what the main goal of this, the council. And we're going to have a short-term goal, mid-term goal, and a long-term goal. So I do know that the chair, Jerry, and the team will be working diligently. And I have every confidence that the first meeting will set the tone on the progress of the council, and where do we go from here as a community.
Thanks for watching this special report. Please do follow us on our Facebook page at KSPN2 and on our website at saipantv.com.